Alright, if my kitty would move, I want to show you guys how I make these mussel shell butterflies. First thing you do is you get about 5 inches of this wire or whatever you have. Okay, then you take your needle nose and bend it in about half. Not in half, but it doesn't matter. Okay, and then you take it up here on the end and you just curl it around. And right over the part that's a little curly thing. See that? Curly thing. Just about like that. There's one side. And you do the same on this side. Curl it around. Make a little butterfly antennae. Just head right over. Yep, and do that one. Okay, and that's how you do that. Straighten this out a little bit. Okay, here's all my driftwoods. I cut and I kind of sanded off the ends a little bit so they're not, so I kind of want more natural. Okay, here we are at the bandsaw. We need to cut a few more small ones. I selected a few of my small driftwoods. Here's what we do. These need to be really small. Okay, now we have to kind of sand off it a little bit so it's not so flat, because that's not really natural. This is natural and we can leave that. So let's just we have to hook them to these first, to these little driftwoods. Then when they dry, then we hook them to the shell. So if you pick you a driftwood and put a little bit of this on it. Okay, and then you put your antennae on. Okay, that's all there is to that. Okay, so I'm going to do a few here. Okay, now we're ready to, we've got our little butterfly body part ready, and now we're going to put them onto the shells. Okay, so it's pretty basic. We just get some more of our E6000, put some on the work surface. Get our little tool, pick the right size. This one will be cute. And get your dab. And you just put it right down the middle. put it on there. Like that. This one's got barnacles on the back. Then, okay, let's go ahead and use up the rest of this dippity-doo that I've got. Let's do this tiny little guy. You got a little working time with this E6000 pen. Okay, I think that'll be fine. Okay. So that's how you attach the driftwood pieces to the gel. So, okay, this is my favorite part. We're gonna put some mineral oil in it. Okay. I just put my name in the jar here. That was a microfiber towelette I used. And, I mean, you can wear gloves if you want, but it's just baby oil. I can use a little moisturizer on my hands, so you just get a little on there. You seriously, okay, so here's, put it on here and bring it to life. Like that. Now I'm not going to put any on the back because I'm going to do something different with this one. That one's really pretty. Okay, so let's trim them. Polish them up. You can put it on the stem if you want. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Look how pretty it turns out. Now it'll soak in a little bit. I recondition these every now and then on my mobile. So let's do a tiny one. Now this one's so tiny I got a Q-tip to do. Polish it up in there. Cute and fun. There you go. Tiny little bit. Okay, look at all these butterflies I made. They're all different. They've all got personality. I've ranged them from the biggest down to the smallest. Okay, I'm going to make a cute little display stand for these little mussel shell butterflies. And look at this, I made a display stand out of driftwood pieces. Just drilled a hole there, put it in, drilled holes there. And it works perfect for displaying all the little butterflies. And then we have this that I made. See, these guys are all going with the crowd, and this little guy is going his own way to be him. Isn't that cute? Okay, look at this. Got some little butterflies on here. Another sweet little fragments. See? And here's another one. It's not butterflies, but it's mussel shells. And this is the frame of this. It fell off the wall and the glass broke, so I had to use something. Okay, and then here's the original in all its glory. I just love them all. Okay, so that's how I make these mussel shell butterflies. And if you stuck with me for the whole video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Making these videos is a challenge. I've been working on it for about a year now. So anyway, I'm like on the backs of these, it's got a periostracum coating. And I don't take that off, but it does fall off naturally. And you just peel it off as it falls off on the mobiles that are outside. So appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for some more fun stuff. The next thing I'm going to build is a planter stand for all my succulents that I have to bring in from outside because it's going to start getting cold and freeze them all. So have a good day. Thanks for watching.